The Milky Way galaxy is a barred spiral galaxy that is estimated to be about 13.6 billion years old. It is one of the most studied galaxies in the universe, as it is the galaxy that we call home. Hello friends, I am Naveed Hussain, and in this lecture, we will explore the structure, composition, and characteristics of the Milky Way galaxy. Structure. The Milky Way galaxy is composed of three main components: the disk, the halo, and the central bulge. The disk is the thin, flattened structure that contains the majority of the galaxy's stars, gas, and dust. It is roughly 100,000 light-years in diameter and 1,000 light-years thick. The disk is further divided into two components, the thin disk and the thick disk. The thin disk contains most of the young, hot stars and is relatively flat, while the thick disk contains older, cooler stars and is somewhat more puffed up. The halo is a roughly spherical structure that surrounds the disk. It is composed of older stars and contains very little gas or dust. The halo is roughly 130,000 light-years in diameter and extends far above and below the disk. The central bulge is a dense, spherical structure at the center of the galaxy. It is about 10,000 light-years in diameter and contains a high concentration of stars, gas, and dust. The bulge is thought to be the site of intense star formation and contains a supermassive black hole at its center. Composition. The Milky Way galaxy is composed of a variety of materials, including stars, gas, dust, and dark matter. The stars in the galaxy range in age from a few million years to several billion years old. They are composed primarily of hydrogen and helium, with small amounts of heavier elements. The gas in the galaxy is primarily composed of hydrogen and is distributed throughout the disk in clouds and filaments. The dust in the galaxy is composed of small particles of carbon, silicon, and other elements and is responsible for absorbing and scattering light. Dark matter is a mysterious substance that is believed to make up a significant portion of the mass of the Milky Way galaxy. It does not emit, absorb, or reflect light, so it is invisible to telescopes. However, its presence can be inferred from its gravitational effects on visible matter. Characteristics. The Milky Way galaxy has a number of unique characteristics that make it an interesting object of study. One of the most notable is its rotation. The galaxy rotates around its center, with the stars in the outer parts of the disk moving at slower speeds than those closer to the center. This is known as differential rotation and is similar to the way a record rotates on a turntable. The Milky Way also has a number of spiral arms that extend from the center of the disk. These arms are thought to be sites of intense star formation, as the density of gas and dust in these regions is higher than elsewhere in the disk. The arms are not fixed structures but instead move and change shape over time. Finally, the Milky Way is part of a larger structure known as the local group. This group consists of over 50 galaxies, including the Andromeda galaxy, and is gravitationally bound together. The local group is just one small part of the larger universe, which contains billions of galaxies spread across vast distances. Conclusion. The Milky Way galaxy is a fascinating object of study that has captured the attention of astronomers for centuries. Its structure, composition, and characteristics offer insights into the formation and evolution of galaxies as a whole. As we continue to study the Milky Way and other galaxies, we are learning more about the universe and our place within it.